Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I just did the rear bumper. You guys can catch that in a separate video. I'm just splitting everything up into segments. But I'm going to start on the back window here. I've already done all the stainless around the back window. But again, there's just wax all over everything, like down in the crevices right here by the rubber seals. The rubber seals actually still look really good. And when I spray off the car, I don't notice any leakage inside the car. So I'm guessing because it was in a barn that the sun didn't really get to these that much. But there's just wax, like I said, in all the grooves and all the crevices. So I'm going to go get my little step ladder so I can make sure I can reach the middle of the glass, and I'm going to get this back window cleaned up. Alright guys, thanks for joining the video. So before everybody has a fit at me, the hose tip, that orange tip, is rubber, so it is not hurting the car by having my hose sitting there. I know somebody will probably say something about that. But anyway, so I have my steel wool and my brass brushes that I'm just gently going to scrub off the glass and clean it up. Alright, so this one was just a very, very quick video that took me about 10 minutes to do. The rubber around the window, like I said, you guys can see that still looks absolutely brand new. And no more wax in all the crevices. Yay! Got a spider web on the inside of the window right there. I haven't even begun to touch the inside of the car yet. That's going to be a whole nother set of episodes. Like I said, I'm just taking my time. I'm just doing one little piece at a time of this car because I want to put my all into it. So, that's it for the back window. No more wax. Hooray, hooray. I want to buff the roof next because as you can see, we've still got a bunch of swirly wax up there. But I'm going to get my buffer on that to save my arms. However, I'll make myself clear. I'm not going to burn through the original paint. So I'm going to have to be very careful. It may have to be done by hand. I will try an inconspicuous spot to begin with, and then if it doesn't seem to be going well, I'll just give up on that idea. But anyway, we have clean back glass and a clean back bumper. All right, guys, have a blessed evening. See you next time, and as always, thank you for watching my videos. Take care.